Hey everybody, today is Saturday, October 15th, 2022, and we're here at Spirit Halloween. Of course, we all love our Spirit Halloween. Every time the Halloween season comes around, like we all go to our Spirit Halloween to find all kinds of fun decor and maybe your Halloween well, I said decor already, but Halloween decorations and Halloween costumes and whatnot. I've actually already been inside a Spirit Halloween to look for new Haunted Mansion decor, possibly for Vanabelle. But the reason why I'm out here today is because actually I'm here with my family because we need to find a Halloween costume for Sean. I know it's very late in the season to be shopping for a Halloween costume for Sean. Kind of our mistake. We actually had a Halloween costume for him. Turns out the kid is growing like a weed as 8-year-olds do, and he no longer fits the costume we had planned on him wearing this Halloween season. So now we're kind of in a bit of a time crunch, and we need to get him a Halloween costume. So we're looking for one for him today. Hopefully we actually end up finding him a Halloween costume. I think he wants to go as maybe Mario or something like that. Maybe Minecraft or Among Us, one of those video games. Look at this guy. Look at that thing. I love all the different creatures and whatnot that are out here. This one is not moving. Oh, he's moving. He's moving now.
I need a skeleton or two from my haunted house. Yours looks just about right.
That's awesome. He wants my skeleton. This is, I love Spirit Halloween. Look at that thing. These things freak me out though. See, the problem with these are they don't move at first. At first you're like, oh, it's not working, nothing's happening, nothing's moving around, and then all of a sudden they start moving on you. What are you gonna do? Knock my block off? It doesn't actually knock your block off. That's awesome. That is so cool. Like, I love Spirit Halloween. Look, oh my, speaking of killer clowns from outer space, look at the popcorn clown statue. This, what are they? Oh, it does something. Oh, it's not working. It lights up or something. What are they asking on this? They're asking, $90. I'm gonna hold off when the Halloween season's over and all the Spirit Halloweens go on sale for like 50% off. If this is still a thing, I have to get this for the library. I don't know where I would put this. I don't know what I would do with this. I don't know where this would go, but it has to go on a shelf or something because that is an amazing piece of decor. I'm loving all the killer clown stuff. I haven't watched Killer Clowns in such a long time. It's been years since I've watched Killer Clowns from Outer Space, but man, I love this movie. I used to watch this movie all the time because it used to play in syndication on like ABC and whatnot. Like every Sunday around the Halloween season, this would be playing on TV. I used to watch it all the time growing up as a kid. I loved this movie as a kid. Still love it today as an adult. I need to watch it again. It's been a couple of years. Look at all the trick-or-treat stuff here, all the different Sam things. This store is dangerous. I want all this stuff. For those of you out there who are big into Halloween, big into horror, for those of you who decorate your house and this stuff all year round, first off, kudos to you if you do that. That's amazing. I wish I had a wife who'd be cool with me decorating the house in Halloween all year round because I would totally do it. But unfortunately, that's not really the case. Although, I don't know. I always say I actually like Christmas a little bit more than Halloween. So maybe I'd want to decorate my house in Christmas all year round. I don't know. Halloween, cut right down the middle. Half Halloween, half Christmas. That's what I end up doing. All this stuff is awesome. So for those of you who do decorate your house in Halloween all year round, I feel bad for you when you come into a store like this because you must want to buy everything here because all this stuff is so cool. Look at the Sam. That's awesome. Does he light up? He does something. Oh, his pumpkin lights up. That is really cool. That is awesome. They have a whole bunch of Sanderson Sister Hocus Pocus stuff here. I just watched Hocus Pocus 2. It was okay. Hocus Pocus 2 was all right. What did you think of Hocus Pocus 2? Leave a comment down below. Did you like Hocus Pocus 2? Did you not like Hocus Pocus 2? I thought it was okay. Oh my gosh, it's Reagan. That, in my opinion, is the scariest film ever made. How do you make her go, oh.
Your mother's in your sky.
Oh my gosh. That is terrifying. That is like the scariest movie, in my opinion, ever made. Oh my gosh, look at all this. The floor is vibrating. I'm being electrocuted right now. You just have so much fun in one of these stores. I don't even know where my family is right now. They're somewhere. There's a mirror right here. So again, I have no idea where the family is. They were over here looking at some costumes. I don't know if they still are. I don't see them over here anymore. Oh, there they are. Did you find something? Did you get a Mario costume? No way. You're gonna be Mario?
Yes.
That's amazing. We were really hoping for a Mario costume. What else is there? Do they have an adult Luigi costume?
No, I don't.
No?
Like mine, not mine.
That's not an adult size. This
is the kids.
These are for kids.
If they have a,
And you could go as Peach,
yeah, maybe.
right? How cool would that be?
So
These are awesome.
There's Bowser,
I'm honestly really.
I was like, wait, how am I gonna
I could just
see
wear I can just wear a mask.
You good?
Yeah, that is true.
I'm honestly really surprised they had Mario costumes. I thought we were kind of like SOL when it came to costumes because it's so late in the season. I thought they were all going to be sold out. All the good stuff was going to be gone. But all right, you found your Mario costume. That is awesome. So Sean is officially going as Mario from Super Mario Brothers. I go as Emperor Palpatine. No. That is cool. That is the true villain of Star Wars. So sick of that stupid Darth Vader guy. Everybody's always, Darth Vader is the most evilest movie villain. Darth Vader was a puppet to Palpatine. That's all Darth Vader was. I don't have anything wrong with Darth Vader. He's an evil man, sure, but come on. Who's the true villain in Star Wars? Is it Darth Vader or is it Palpatine? It's Palpatine. Palpatine's the true evilness of the Star Wars franchise. Anyway, that's my little rant for today. Look at all these guys. Terrifying. I'm surprised they actually have as much stuff here as they do. I honestly thought this store was going to be extremely picked through, and there was going to be like nothing here. Look at the Frankenstein monster. All these vinyl masks are really, really cool. I wore one of these one year. When I was a kid, I had a Halloween vinyl mask, and I never bought one ever again because it was the worst experience. It's so hot, and even if it's cold out, even if it's a cold, what am I trying to think of? October. I couldn't think of the word October. Even if it's a cold October night and you have one of these masks on and you're trying to breathe in it, it just gets so sweaty and disgusting and so warm in there. It's awful. And Annabelle. That's terrifying. Look at like the Casper. That is so cool. These masks are awesome. These would make a really cool like a display piece in your house. I could just see somebody decorating a wall in nothing but these like faux vintage masks. These are really cool. I'm definitely digging these. I really like these masks a lot. I do kind of want to take these and like put them in like a shadow box or something. How cool would that be? These inside a shadow box hanging up on the wall. That would be amazing. If anybody out there has done that, if any of you guys have done that, leave a comment down below. If any of you use those faux vintage masks or even vintage masks for decor in your house, leave a comment down below. Send me maybe a link to a photo. I want to see what that looks like. But again, I'm really surprised by how much stuff is still here. I thought this late in the season, I kind of thought stuff would be gone. Here's the true Annabelle. But I don't find Annabelle scary. I don't really like the design of Annabelle. I think she's too done up. They made her look too scary. They should have just made a normal, average, kind of creepy looking doll. They made her way too creepy looking to the point where she's not creepy looking. They put too much time and effort into making her scary that she's now not scary, in my opinion. I do not like the design of Annabelle. I don't find her terrifying at all. I find her kind of annoying. Chucky, on the other hand, see, that's terrifying. That looks like something you would actually bring home into your house and then would murder you, which it obviously does. That is a terrifying looking doll. That is not so much. I don't like Annabelle. Oh, they have, look at that. All the Bride of Chucky stuff as well. I love Bride of Chucky. Bride of Chucky's a great movie. Oh my gosh. This store is so much fun. So Bride of Chucky, I actually really like the movie Bride of Chucky. I'm not the biggest fan of Seed of Chucky. I never really got into that movie. Look at all the Haunted Mansion stuff. See, this is all the stuff I was looking for Vanabelle. We got throws and this Tomb Sweet Tomb. If I had any room in Vanabelle to hang something like this, I would totally get this. That is a really cool piece of decor right there. I really asking on this. $20. I actually really like this. I don't know where I would hang this though. Kind of wish I would have brought, I didn't bring Vanabelle with me today. We brought Pumpkin. I kind of wish I would have brought Vanabelle now because I kind of want to go out to her and see where I could maybe possibly hang this in the van. That would be amazing for the Haunted Mansion. Oh, really cool mugs. There's so much cool Haunted Mansion stuff here. Like, so much of this I'm tempted to buy. Look at this thing. Where would I hang this? I have no idea where I would put any of this stuff. They have more throws. I don't need more throws. They have hand towels. I actually bought this. I bought one of these for Vanabelle. That's awesome. Had room for that on a shelf. That's awesome. But I want so much more of this. Look at the little plaques and whatnot. So much cool Haunted Mansion stuff. That's so incredibly tempting to pick up for Vanabelle. But I don't have enough room in there to do all that stuff. Look at the steampunk things. These are all really cool, but all right, guys. I'm gonna let you guys go now. I just wanted to bring you in here quick. We found a costume for Sean. I'm pumped, I'm excited. He's gonna go as Mario, which is what he really wanted to go as. He said he really wanted to go as Mario this Halloween season. I honestly thought that probably wasn't gonna happen. I really expected the store to be more picked through. I thought it was gonna be very slim pickings here. And I figured things like Mario is gonna be sold out. Maybe I'll go as Harley Quinn. There you go, look at that. That bat's got some weight. You can do some damage with it. It's not a real wooden bat, but that's got some weight to it. You can do some damage with this. That's kind of terrifying. Anyway, so I thought he was gonna be out of luck. He was not gonna find a Mario costume. Figured they'd be sold out of things like Mario, but they had a Mario costume for him. That's awesome. I gotta see if they have an adult Luigi costume. That's what I want to find. If they have an adult Luigi costume, then maybe I'll have to go as Luigi to Sean's Mario, but I don't know. Maybe they have them here somewhere. I'll look around. We'll see. If they have one, I'll take a picture and post it somewhere. Maybe I'll do a Halloween day video for you guys or something like that. But anyway, I'm gonna let you guys go. I'm gonna look around a little bit more, maybe buy some stuff. Who knows? Maybe I'll talk the wife into getting some Halloween decor. We'll see. Or I could just go as a killer clown. That'd be awesome. All right, guys, gonna let you go. So as always, thank you guys so much for checking out this video. Be sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check down below for links to Patreon. If you guys do become a patron, I will send you a postcard every single month from the road. Also check down below for a link to Spreadshirt, where you can grab yourself retro rest stop t-shirts. Proceeds both from Spreadshirt and from Patreon do good help putting gas in Vanabelle and Pumpkin, so we can come out to fun, interesting places like this. And I could be tempted to pick up a Binks plush. That is awesome. So anyway, guys, like I said, check down below for all the links. If you hit that subscribe button or you are subscribed, I'll see you in tomorrow's video. And what are you guys going for Halloween? What is going to be your Halloween costume for this year? What are you going as? What's your wife or significant other going as? What's your husband going as? That'd be a significant other. What's your child going as? What are your and your Halloween? What are your and your family's Halloween? I'm so excited. What are your and your family's Halloween costumes for this year? Leave a comment down below. I want to know. Anyway, I'll see you guys next video. Have a good one, guys. Thanks for watching. All right, bye.